Hi, I'm Marna, and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel. Merry, Merry Christmas 2021. Today I am joining in with Peace Craft Dolls with Tammy Powley, and the word this month is future. And of course you always think of space, or I always think of space when you think future. But I thought I'd tell you the future of my channel, or what I might have in mind for 2022. That's like, it just sounds so weird, so distant, so future. In the near future on our channel, we're going to be doing, Darren has built some 3D 1/3 size BJD dolls. He and I are going to try to strand it, do a face up and a wig. We'll see how that goes, and I'm going to try to make it some clothes. That could be challenging for us, but we will see. I also have more Blythe dolls coming in for collabs that are already lined up from January through December, and I'm excited about that. I love collabs and challenges. It's so fun to get together with friends, and I do call them friends, and work on these different videos. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Once again, Merry, Merry Christmas. Please leave a like, a comment, and a Christmas gift of a subscribe.